Hi, in this video I will show you how to jump onto the viral action figure trend and create images like the one that you can see on the screen. Right, so the first thing you want to do, right, is create your prompt. As you can see, I already have my prompt created. It's quite a long one, a very long paragraph. For the type of image that you want to create, it should be detailed like that. So you can pause the video and read the prompt for a minute. But I'm proceeding to copy this, right, and then I'll go and paste it into ChatGPT so that we can go ahead and create our image. Okay, now we're in ChatGPT, so let's get to input our prompt. We can just put a brief description there. Generate an image, my apologies, an image based on the following description. Right, once we're done, we can paste our prompt and click on enter. Okay, we can give ChatGPT a few moments to work. Right, it's finally done, and that's the image that we managed to create with that detailed prompt. So yeah, for your benefit, in the description box down below, I've put a link, right, where you can download a text file that contains a template or an example prompt that you can use for your purposes. Yeah, and then you can use these images in your design for social media, for business, or whatever purpose that you want to. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.